Please subscribe to my channel for education and entertainment videos. Part 1. Roman numerals. Gita, this clock doesn't have numbers. It has some symbols instead. Teacher, yes, Gita. These are Roman numerals. In Europe, in the old times, Roman capital letters were used to write numbers. That is why they were called Roman numerals. The letter I was the symbol used for 1, V for 5, and X for 10. In this method, there was no symbol for 0. Also, the value of a symbol did not change with its place. There are certain rules for writing numbers using the Roman numerals. Let us see how to write 1 to 20 using these rules and the symbols I, V and X. Rule 1. If either of the symbols I or X is written consecutively 2 or 3 times, their sum total is the number they make. Examples: 2 equals 1 plus 1 equals 2x, x equals 10 plus 10 equals 23 equals 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3. Rule 2. The symbols I or X can be repeated consecutively for a maximum of 3 times. The numeral V is never repeated consecutively. Rule 3. When either I or V is written on the right of the symbol of a bigger number, its value is added to the value of the bigger number. Examples: V equals 5 plus 1 equals 6, 11 equals 10 plus 1 equals 11, 15 equals 10 plus 5 equals 15. 7 equals 5 plus 2 equals 7, 12 equals 10 plus 2 equals 12, 16 equals 10 plus 5 plus 1 equals 16. 8 equals 5 plus 3 equals 8, 13 equals 10 plus 3 equals 13. Rule 4. When I is written on the left of V or X, then its value is subtracted from the value of V or X. However, the symbol I is not written more than once before V or X. Examples: IV equals 5 to 1 equals 4, X equals 10 to 1 equals 9. But the number 8 is not written as IIX. We have to think a little differently to write the numbers 14 and 19. 14 equals 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. However, we do not use the symbol I consecutively more than 3 times. Hence, we shall think of the number 14 as 10 plus 4 instead. Then, using the symbol IV for 4, we write 14 as 14. Similarly, we shall think of the number 19 as 10 plus 9 and write it as 19. Thus, to write the numbers from 1 to 20 in Roman numerals, we first distribute a given number into groups of 10, 5 and 1 and then apply the rules given above. Thus, 12 equals 10 plus 1 plus 1 equals 12, 7 equals 5 plus 1 plus 1 equals 7, 18 equals 10 plus 5 plus 3 equals 18. Something more: L, C, D and M are also used as Roman numerals. Roman numerals. I, V, X, L, C, D, M. Numbers 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500, 1000. Activity: apart from clocks and watches, where else do we see Roman numerals? I equals 1. V equals 5. X equals 10. L equals 50. C equals 100. D equals 500. M equals 1000.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon so you never miss any new updates.